Finding a recipe that's simple and fabulous, as well as made in your own kitchen, can be a challenge. Well, here at the Thai Guy Cooks, we make it easy for you with Thai salmon with rice. So let's get started. Let's make the Thai sauce marinade. While the salmon is marinating, let's cook the rice. Time to bake the salmon. Set your timer for 20 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Salmon has a rich and fascinating history that dates back 25 million years. Salmon fishing began 10,000 years ago in the North Pacific. Salmon consumption began in the 19th century in North America. Canning of salmon began in New England in the 1840s. Let's prepare the dipping sauce. Looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. While the salmon is baked to perfection and the rice is fork tender, the dipping sauce and tom yum gai soup are great additions to the overall meal. The tom yum gai soup recipe can be found at thaiguycooks.com. Please leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one simple and fabulous meal. Stay with us, watch the next videos.